All right, time to do my best. Mr. Zach Manring, Southern Ginger himself, impersonation. So today he's out in the heat running wire for his new building. So I get the lucky one to be inside. RV, AC's pumping, feeling great, but I am running some insulation, so that's awesome. So today what we're gonna be doing is re-insulating everything that we pulled out from up in the old slide out, and then hopefully we can get actually a new floor, because as much as we really like it, I'd feel a little bit more comfortable if we put a little bit of 1/2 inch on top as well, sandwiched together. That way there's no flex. We actually, weirdly enough, had 2 sheets of plywood from 2 different Home Depots, and one's slightly weaker and flex a little more, so we're not a fan of that. So, and of course the seam is directly underneath the kitchen counter, so we really thought that one through. So nonetheless, we're gonna basically add a little bit more to the floors, get some insulation in, and then hopefully by the end of the day get some new lighting, drop in the plywood, and we'll start redoing this thing. So let's see what we can make happen today.
Man, I tell you, Austin did a great job. Everything's been wallpapered. He painted the ceilings. Still got some last little minute touches to do there. But the next steps would be to start working on the benches and the sofa area. And then of course we'll trim this all out when it's all said and done. I'd also like to mention though, while we were working on this, we installed all new LED lighting throughout the whole rig, and fixed the, painted this, made it all look good, and then also improved the ducting in the AC unit. Installed new speakers up here. Let's see if I can find them here for you. Yeah, new speakers. So got those all in, and then we also hooked up Bluetooth to the radio. So, it's those little things really make it all better. So, we can enjoy some music now. The AC's pumping, and you can continue on some of these projects. So, like I said, next steps we're going to be working on the benches, and yeah. So, hope you like the journey so far, and we're going to continue working on this thing. So, thanks for watching, folks, and I will see you next time. Oh no.